Welcome to the Controlling Applications Access lesson. After completing this lesson, you will be able to achieve these objectives. Understand application control. Explain how FortiGate application control works to limit access. Configure FortiGate application control. Monitor FortiGate application control. To improve security and meet compliance standards, the application control capability in FortiGate helps enforce the acceptable use and resulting traffic flow of network applications, as defined in a policy. Application control can identify network traffic that is generated from specific applications and take the appropriate actions, such as monitor and block traffic or apply traffic shaping for all or a specific set of users of a firewall policy. Being able to control the traffic flow of network applications may not be a priority requirement within traditional client-server architecture that uses a defined connection protocol over a standard port number. However, the need to control application traffic is becoming increasingly relevant within peer-to-peer architecture, wherein many servers need to send traffic using dynamic ports, such as BitTorrent. Peer-to-peer protocols use evasive techniques to bypass traditional firewall policies. Therefore, FortiGate application control involves the matching of known patterns to the transmission patterns of the application. The database for application control signatures is provided by FortiGuard Labs. The traffic analysis is performed through the IPS engine, which uses flow-based inspection, so the pattern match is performed directly in the entire byte stream of the packet, independently of protocol or port number. In the application control profile, you can configure the application control settings that must be applied afterwards in the firewall policy. In the application control profile, the application signatures are grouped by category, and you can set each category to monitor, allow, block, or quarantine. To provide more granularity, you can configure each application signature or group of application signatures specifically using the override option. For example, the override option allows you to block Facebook apps while still allowing users to collaborate using Facebook chat. To summarize the profile-based configuration of limiting access to specific applications, you can expand each task to identify the basic recommended process. First, create an application control profile, or modify a pre-configured one. Second, modify action in the application categories or configure application override. Third, select the correct application control profile in the firewall policy. Fourth, verify the configuration by attempting to access the corresponding application. Finally, use FortiGate logs to monitor applications access limitation. Let's put these concepts into practice by completing the following lab simulation. You have completed this lesson. You are now able to understand application control, explain how FortiGate application control works to limit access, configure FortiGate application control, monitor FortiGate application control.